In this video, I'll talk about how long it takes to withdraw your funds on eToro. Now on this chart right here, you'll be able to see how long it can take. Now for credit card or bank transfers, it can take up to 10 business days, which means 2 weeks, including the weekends. And for everything else, it will be up to 2 business days. Unless you want to get it directly back into your eToro account, then it's gonna be instant withdrawal. So that is how it works. So for a credit card, debit card, or bank transfer, if you have waited 2 weeks and you still haven't gotten it, you should send them a message, you should send them a ticket and ask what's going on. For these, I would suggest just waiting 1 extra day than what it says. So if it says up to 2 business days, just give it 3 days. And remember, business days is not the weekends. So if you request it on a Friday, you will not receive it on the Monday. So keep that in mind, and that is how it works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.